We want to appreciate the resilience of all the comrades and Nigerians that have joined us today in this march for freedom, in this march against hunger, against insecurity, against the downturn of our forex, of our currency, against every issue that has to do against the humanity. That is why we are on the street, not particularly because of our own interest, not particularly because of salary. Though the government have instituted a tripartite committee, they have inaugurated a tripartite committee on new minimum wage. But let Nigerians take it that NSC has come out just because of Nigerians. Rice is no longer affordable. All the food items are no longer affordable. Transportations are skyrocketed. Gari is no longer affordable. Indomie noodle we cannot buy again. Rice is now 85,000 naira per bag. Even sachet water we can no longer buy. They are bootleg to press our neck. But we want to say that when we continue to agitate, when we continue to come out, when we continue to talk with one voice, in unity, definitely the freedom is around the corner. Nigerians today, let us rise and let us tell Mr. President what he's supposed to hear. And what do we need to tell Mr. President? Nigerians are hungry. There is hunger in the land. And so we need freedom and food. Security, we need protection. Farmers can no longer go to their farms. Even for the traders. They can no longer traverse from one part of the country to the other. They are afraid of being kidnapped. The federal government, it is your responsibility. It is your duty to provide for us, to protect us. Our lives and our properties, though they are in the hand of God, but here on earth, they are in the hand of the government. It is the civic responsibility of government to provide for us. And it is also our human right for them to give us all that we needed. So let me allow some of our leaders to give us just two minutes talk, so that we can stretch our legs, and then you can take some water, and then we continue. The president of ANAP is here. Let me recognize all our leaders. President of ANAP is here. The General Secretary of Joint Action Front, JAF, Comrade Abiodun Aremu is here. Arams? The Deputy General Secretaries from Maritime Workers Union, from Textile Union. I've seen so many of our leaders that because of time, I cannot start to mention their name one after the other. All the SAC members of NSC Lagos State Administrative Council members, and the State Executive Council members, they are all here present, with all the membership of various affiliate unions of Nigerian Labour Congress. We have seen our pro-labor allied partners. We have seen so many of the civil societies here present. And also we have seen gentlemen of the police and the security agencies. We are all conducting ourselves in a civilized manner to show our displeasure against some policies of the government that is anti-people and that is bringing untold hardship to Nigerians. Of the greatest Nigerian people, articulate Nigerian people, a people united can never be defeated. Please, we are just staying here for 10 minutes. If I give our leaders the microphone, please let it be short, 2 minutes. Thank you, sir. Let's start from the President of Ghana.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Our people united. Our people united. We appreciate the way we conduct ourselves today. We did very well. That's NLC for you. We are here for peaceful protest, and everybody knows that this country actually things are hard. Are we not hungry? We cannot afford minimum wage. The minimum wage we are talking about, we are looking for living wage, not minimum wage, because the bag of rice is 85,000. So we are looking for something tangible. We are working, and every worker you see in Nigeria has about 8 people that rely on you. Not only people that are working, there are some people that are not working. So the money will be available. Let the money be available so that when they remove the subsidy, then the subsidy was say removed on that day. We are thinking that there is some contingency plan, but we understand nothing on ground. We just remove the subsidy. Mr. President, whether we vote for you or didn't vote for you, you are now the father of all. So please, we are appealing. We are appealing to you, please. You know the way you grow up, you yourself. You know where you came from, and we know where you are. So please, Mr. President, allow us to live. People are dying every day. We are appealing to Mr. President, please give us a living wage. Let things be going round. People are hungry, and a hungry man is an angry man. Are we not angry? So please, we should respect ourselves. The way we have conducted our protest is a very good one. Please, we should maintain in that order. And anyone that is not for this protest, please, you should leave. We should not allow somebody to come and put us in the light, in the bad image. We don't want it that way, because we promise the Nigerians that we are going to continue to make sure that everybody is safe in this country. The insecurity is everywhere. You cannot be able to go to anywhere because you are afraid of kidnappers. So people like us that's from northern part of this country know what you are facing. So it's too tough everywhere. Mr. President, please welcome. If you need advice, we can advise you. We know what to do. Everybody knows the solution. Mr. President, please, we are here for you. Solidarity! Solidarity! People united! Thank you so much.
Ìdí ni pé àwa láti gbà fún ẹ̀tọ́ àwọn Nigerians. Torí pé ìjọba tó wà nínú ìgbè yìí kò tí fi àjà aráàlú. Ìdí ń pa wá káwọn ra ráìsì ní 8 naira per bag. Paint of garri 915. Báyẹn lọ. Pápá mọ́tò, pápá àtàwọn oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀wù tí wọ́n àwa láti gba ọmọ Nàìjíríà sílẹ̀ kí a mọ̀ sí jẹ́ wá. Àwa tó ti wá pé káwá jẹ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó lè bá dání. Ìjọba tí wọ́n tẹ̀lé pé wọ́n kọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ lórí dọ́là tó jẹ́ ọ̀làbalẹ̀ wálẹ̀ ògbélé òní sí wàhálà mọ́. Pàápàá àwọn tó jẹ́ kí ni wa lọ́mẹ́ka sí wa táwọn náà wọ́n sọ fún wa ó tán gbà ti pọ̀ jù owó yẹn ló ń àfẹ́ ti wá Nàìjíríà ó tán gbà ti pọ̀ jù tó kọ́ náà wọ́n sọ fún wa ká máa ṣe gbẹ̀ kó dára kó wálẹ̀ tó máa yẹ tó ìyá ti tó gẹ́ tó dára máa àgbò fún wọn àyà wọn jẹ wá kí ẹ̀ fẹ́ ra pé ọ̀tà kí ẹ̀ ní ìmọ̀ lè rà ìgbà tó jẹ́ oúnjẹ mẹ̀kúnnù àríra mọ́ ó ti dúró rẹpẹtẹ lówó tó àwa jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ àwọn Nàìjíríà nìgbẹ́ àwọn tó ti wá fún ẹ̀ pé kéjẹ́ ló tó lè bá dá àti wá nígbà yẹn.
Òun náà ni ẹ ti gbọ́ wọ́n ní àwọn wá jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà kì í ṣe fún ara wọn nìkan.
Gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ ń le ní Nàìjíríà wa kí ló ṣe tí gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ Nàìjíríà yìí náà ló máa ń le jù. Nàìjíríà wa yìí ó ti wà very hard jù tó dẹ̀ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kó bá wa bẹ̀ jọba wa kó bá wa bẹ̀ bàbá o Tinubu kó máa wa ọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n gan ebi ń pa wá kó máa yẹ kẹ́lẹ́dà ọmọ yéyèké kó bínú sí wọn ó ti pọ̀ jù kó máa wa bẹ̀ kó jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run.
There is victory for all. There is victory for all.
In the struggle
for our members, there is victory for all.
Forward.
Ever. Backward. Never.
In the struggle
for our members, there is victory.
Solidarity. Our people united.
Can never be defeated.
Our people united.
Can never be defeated.
Nigerians united.
Can never be defeated.
remember Madubelo, what a runaway me I saw. When I remember Zikiwe, what a runaway me I saw. When I remember Minugano, what a runaway me I saw. When I remember Jaconde, what a runaway me I saw. Oh yeah, remember, remember me Lucano. Remember Zikiwe. Remember Madubelo. Remember, I remember what a runaway me I saw. When I remember Nigeria Airways, R.I.P. Nigeria Airways. When I remember Nigeria Airways, what a runaway me I saw. Remember Wolawa. Remember Zikiwe. Remember Madubelo. Remember Gani Sawaimi. Remember, I remember what a runaway me I saw. When I remember Imodu, what a runaway me I saw. When I remember Kokuti, what a runaway I saw.
Baba, no, nah. Chairman, no, nah. We beg you, nah. But we beg you before you come here. So you know that you agree.
Oh yeah, remember Wolawa. Remember Minukano. Remember Gani Fawaimi. Remember Fela Nikula Gotuti. Solidarity. Thank you, comrades. Please, if you are our comrades, come behind this banner. Please create this space. Always listen to instructions. Please, don't stay with the press. Come this way. If you are not the press, come this way. Pressmen, please, can you still shift back a little bit? Because the House of Assembly, they are coming out now to come and receive a letter and speak to Nigerians. Please, just move back a little bit. I want to appreciate all the comrades for the peaceful conduct from Ikeja, Awolowo Way, up to our House of Assembly. We have a national leader. Solidarity. We have a national leader that is here with us. We will allow him to speak to us before the House of Assembly members will address us, and then we also address them. Barrister Femi Falana. Senior Abiyamo of Nigeria. The senior Abiyamo of Nigeria. Senior Advocate of the is here with us. I will give him the microphone. 3 conservative
I would like to congratulate the leadership and the entire members of the Nigerian Labour Congress for insisting on enforcing their rights to assemble peacefully and express themselves. What you have done today is a major victory in the annals of our history. The state, the Nigerian neo-colonial state, threatened
don't move.
that this protest will not take place today.
Why now? No, move now.
The Attorney General of the Federation wrote to the police that what you are doing today will be contemptuous of court. We replied the government on behalf of the Nigerian Labour Congress. There is nothing contemptuous in enforcing your rights. You don't talk of law in an atmosphere of illegality. In this particular instance, you insisted on your rights, and that is why the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Agbeto, came out yesterday to say that not only would the police allow the protest, the police will protect the protesters. This is in line.
Remember Zikiwe. Remember
ẹ tí ẹ bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó la wà níbi tí àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba yíyún NLC tìlú Èkó níbi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe ìwọ́de lórí bí gbogbo nǹkan ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ìgbé pé ebi ń pa wá, ebi ń paráàlú ni wọ́n ń ké tọ̀tọ̀. Tí ẹ bá ń wò lórí fọ́nrán yìí ẹ rí wípé gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ̀gbẹ́ kan ní ìlú Ìkẹjà ni wọ́n ti gbà kan súnkẹrẹ fàkẹrẹ ọkọ̀ náà ń lọ ní apá ọ̀tún níbi tí àwọn tó ń wọ́de wọ́n ti gba apá òsì kan. Tí ẹ bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ orí ìkànnì BBC ní Yorùbá òun náà ni wà lọ́wọ́ a sì wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó níbi tí àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ìpínlẹ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe ìwọ́de lórí bí gbogbo nǹkan ṣe ń lọ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ìgbé pé ebi ń paráàlú ni wọ́n ń ké tọ̀ wọ́n ní ó ti sú wọn, ebi ń paráàlú, wọn ò rówó jẹun, wọn ò rówó ṣiṣẹ́, ìyà sì gbọ̀ nínú ìlú. Òun náà ni ariwo tí gbogbo wọn pa.
Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss out any of our latest video.
My name is Aki Anabi. I'm a video director and TV producer of Akomolowe on African Magic. Keep watching Drivetv.
olólùfẹ́ Drivetv àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Fẹ́mi Sola ẹ máa wo Drivetv. Keep watching Drivetv.
My name is Wole Agba. Taking this time out to tell you all that you keep watching Drivetv. What drive ẹ̀wọ̀n ní ògo ẹ̀? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀n fulfilment? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀n bí tó bá lọ? Ó ní iṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Ibi ni kò máa wò Drivetv. Thank you. Chloe.
Drivetv, driving you around the world.